Hi guys, I'm playing right now. Okay, I will send a part to it. Go, so let's go on with the home and house. Nope. Yes. Let's go inside from my house and it's actually pretty good.
This is crazy. Oh yeah.
Press E to open, but I don't need to press E. Okay, I don't need that. So, actually guys, I can make it look kinda long, but not so long. I don't know where's my room, so I'm just going to explore the house. Okay.
I have a show. I'm here to apologize.
Nope.
Okay, it's just for the clip bar, right? That's what you were doing? Yeah, it was just a prank. Yeah, that was dumb. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we were just pranking you. Yeah,
It was just cool. Kinda messy, so messy. Do you like Messi or Ronaldo? Actually, let's change. So, I just go in Avatar. I'm gonna put my outfit. No mind me. Kinda good. So, that's why I'm making this video. Because I know you guys, that one that you see, if you don't see it, check it now. And this is me, Sheena. I'll see you part 3. Bye.